Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox VR on Meta Quest 2. First, make sure your Meta Quest 2 headset is fully charged and running the latest software. Next, download and install the official Oculus PC app on your computer. This application is crucial for establishing a connection between your headset and your PC. Finally, connect your Meta Quest 2 to your computer using a high-quality USB-C cable for Oculus Link, or configure AirLink for a seamless wireless experience. These initial steps are vital for a smooth setup. Once your headset is connected, the next step is to get Roblox ready. Download and install the Roblox Player application on your computer. After installation, launch Roblox and browse for a game that clearly indicates VR support. Not all games are VR compatible, so look for those specifically designed for it. Once you're in a VR-supported game, navigate to its settings menu and activate the VR mode. This will prepare the game to display correctly within your Meta Quest 2 headset. To ensure the best possible experience, optimizing your setup is key. You might need to adjust the graphics settings within Roblox to find a balance between visual quality and smooth performance. Lowering some settings can significantly improve frame rates. Also, confirm that your computer meets the recommended system requirements for Roblox VR to avoid any bottlenecks. If you encounter issues like lag or connection problems, try restarting both your headset and computer and ensure all drivers are up to date. A stable connection is paramount. With everything set up, you're now ready to dive into the incredible world of Roblox VR. Explore countless user-created virtual reality experiences, from thrilling adventures to social hangouts. You can interact with other players in truly immersive environments, experiencing your favorite Roblox games in a completely new dimension. Get ready to discover new perspectives, engage in unique gameplay, and enjoy hours of fun. The possibilities are vast, offering a fresh and exciting way to play Roblox on your Meta Quest 2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.